Construction is progressing fast with 14% already completed. The basement roof is ready for inspection with concrete pouring in next few days. Located in Warsan 4, this community offers unmatched connectivity. The upcoming Blue Metro line is just 2 minutes walk. American Hospital, Business Bay, Dragon Mart, Mirha City Center, all are close by. Home includes studios, 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom apartments with modern layout and high-quality finishing. Amenities include swimming pool, jogging track, fitness center, tennis and football table, also praying area and kids playing zone. This is not just a home, it's a smart investment. Competitive pricing and prime location ensure strong growth potential. A flexible 24 months payment plan and bookings just from 25,000 dirhams. Book your home today.